She's in love with you.
This works awesome. I don't know what they're talking about, that it doesn't work with the iPhone or iOS system. Yes, it does. You have to fully charge it. I would say do it for 24 hours or 2 days. Fully charge it. Then go to your app store and download the name of the machine, which is showing right here, and then program it to that, and you can link it through the app. If you try to link it through your Bluetooth settings, yes, it will give you an error message. But if you go down, fully charge it for 2 to 3 days, and then push this button on the side, a long press like it says there, then you can successfully download the app and then choose your functions right there, and you can sync it right there in the app. So that is not true what the last person said.
Okay, here's my D11 printer. It's super cute. I love the pink color. It's my NIIMBOT. Alright, and I downloaded the app, and I'm just making some labels for my little cabinet right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and print one out so you guys can see. Pretty quick and easy. And use my phone. There. Just tear this off. Going upwards. Let's set this down real quick. Yeah, printed out pretty nicely. Thanks for watching.
I really like this little printer that I bought on Amazon, and I've started putting labels, on lots of my things around the house, and I appreciate that it gets the job done. One problem that I ran into is that when I tried to print bold, so these labels here, the ones that are like really light gray, that was when I was trying to print bold. And then finally I figured out that if I just went back to printing without bold, the labels would actually come out normal and were great. So maybe it's a bug in the software, maybe it's my unit that just has a little problem with bold, I don't know. But yeah, mine can't print bold, but that's okay. I don't really need bold. That's it. Thanks. Bye.
goes after that.